How to draw Baby Yoda. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. First I will draw a half circle and a circle for Baby Yoda's paw. Join the inner 2 points of the inner half circle, drawing curved line under that. Now I will draw the head of Baby Yoda. Draw a curved line like this. Then draw the ear like this. Draw the hand like this. Just follow me. It is very easy. Now draw the other hand like this and the other ear. Now draw the details of the face. You can draw the eyes by 2 circles. Draw the eyebrows after that. Draw the details of the paw. Now finalize the pencil sketch with black marker pen. Erase the initial pencil sketch. Now time to color the picture. If you like the video drawing Baby Yoda, like, share and subscribe.